Video I'm going to be unboxing the Lenovo ThinkPad. Let's see, this is the p73 mobile workstation. This is definitely a high-end work machine. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. First we'll do an unboxing and then I'll have another review video. So we have the box sealed, which looks like tamper-evident tape. Let's go ahead and get that open. I'm a little bit nervous. This is an expensive machine. Let's go ahead and see, is that what opens the box? Alright. See how they pack this here. Alright, looks like the charger, this might be off to the side. Careful. Okay, whoa, this thing's heavy. Okay. Wow, okay, so I was expecting it to be in a box, but let's see here. Here's the laptop. Let's see what else there's in the packaging. Looks like we have some warranty information, so safety and warranty guide. Alright, the other packaging. Alright, let's go ahead and get the charger out here. Alright, so yeah, this thing is a beast of a brick. This is the charger. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the back. You can always freeze frame that. So I was expecting it to have flashy consumer packaging, but obviously that isn't the case. I've never been in contact with a work laptop before. 230 watt charger. So this has the Xeon processor and the work graphics cards. So not particularly the gaming graphics cards, but the cards that are used for SolidWorks and Maya and all the Autodesk applications and that type of high-end actual professional work. So let's go ahead and take a look at the laptop. Let's open it up here out of its bag. So they do have tamper-evident tape here, but it should just slide open, I think. Alright, here it is. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at the laptop here. First we'll take a look at the ports on the sides. So we have what looks like a headphone jack, USB super speed port, SD reader, USB-C port, Ethernet port, and on the back we have super speed USB port, we have a HDMI port, we have two USB-C ports, we have the, looks like the power adapter port, and we'll take a look at the left side of the laptop. We have another USB super speed port, which I'm assuming all of these are USB 3, and it also has a charger indicator, which means that one probably puts out, instead of just 1 amp, 2.4 amps at least. I'm not positive on that. And we have the Windows certificate on the bottom, and let's see, what else do we have? Let's go ahead and open it up and look inside. So the inside of the laptop. So this is a 17-inch model, and the touchpad is biased to the left side a little bit. We have color-calibrated Intel Xeon. Okay, that's pretty sweet. We have a nice finish here. ThinkPad keyboard, which is always nice. Let's go ahead and see if it comes with a factory charge at all. And it looks like it does not. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and get the specs. So now that we've unboxed it here, let's go ahead and take a look at the specs and the inside of the machine. So one thing you'll notice is that let me switch over to zoomed view, is there is a way to hide the webcam. It's not really showing up, but there's a little latch here that you can move to either block the webcam or to activate the webcam, and it has a little red indicator when the webcam is blocked. And let's go ahead and look at the laptop. So it has the classic ThinkPad mouse in the middle that you can control, so you can type and use your mouse at the same time. It has a lot of buttons on the... Okay, yes, so this is the mouse buttons if you're using the finger wheel, and then you have the buttons for the mouse pad. It has a fingerprint sensor. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at the results on a benchmark. This does have the Trusted Platform Module, TPM. It has Windows 10 Pro, designed for the Xenon. It also has a 1TB Samsung NVMe PCIe that I'll show in the user benchmarks here. It has two NVMe PCIe slots, and it has a 2.5-inch hard drive bay that is empty by default stock. So the user benchmarks on this machine is a UFO, and aircraft carrier. So let's go ahead and take a look. It has the Intel Xeon E2276M processor. Intel. It also has the NVIDIA Quadro RTX 5000 graphics cards with 16 gigabytes of RAM. For the graphics card, and the RAM on the laptop starts out stock 32 gigabytes of RAM, 2666 megahertz, and it's ECC server RAM, error correcting memory. It also has 4 slots for RAM that can be upgraded up to 128 gigabytes, and it starts by only having 2 RAM slots that are filled, so you have 2 more you can fill just out of stock. It has the Samsung NVMe drive here. Let's see. It also has a backlit keyboard that you can turn up or down. The processor is obviously Xeon and 6-core. That's the unboxing and quick overview of the specs. I will also do a review video probably in a day or two. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them below, and I'll respond.